step that I do when I fix my hair is after I wash it, I leave it in my towel for a little bit to kind of soak up a lot of the moisture, and then I just take it out. And I choose not to brush my hair after I shower. I brush it before I get in. That way, most of the tangles are out. And it's just what works the best for me. Your hair is at its weakest point or most fragile state when it's wet. So brushing it can be damaging. And when I wear my hair wavy, it kind of takes out my waves. So first of all, this product I have seriously used since I was like 14 years old. And it's just an anti-humidity smoothing milk. And seriously, most of my friends, if they saw this, they would associate it with me. It since the beginning of time. And I just put a little bit of that in my hair. And then for my conditioning treatment, I like to use, I actually just have recently gotten this. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product, and I have really been liking it just to kind of keep my hair healthy. Okay, so the main product that I work with when I have wavy hair or curly hair whatsoever, I use this Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Texturing Sea Salt Spray. I have been loving this. It actually works so well. It's probably going to make it into my January favorites, honestly. So I just do that. I do not blow dry my hair unless I wear it straight. Any other hairstyle besides straight hair, I do not blow dry it. I do not want to put unnecessary heat on my hair. Okay, so all I do after this is I just let my hair dry on its own.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, so now my hair has had time to dry on its own. You can see that the sea salt spray did give me some waves. And I do wear my hair just like this. It's so weird. Like, it does my underlayer. It gives me way more waves, like back here, than it does right here. It's the weirdest thing. So I wear my hair like this also all the time. I just shower and go because I would choose sleep over fixing my hair any day. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these large rollers and I'm just going to grab, I kind of just brush all my hair backwards, and I'm just going to grab this front section right here. This just helps give my hair more body, and I am going to just tease that like twice, not a lot at all. And I'm going to go ahead, I know you can't see what I'm doing, I'm sorry, and just put my roller in. And you don't want, like, if you have more hair, I would get the jumbo rollers, not the large, because you don't want your hair to be falling off the roller, you know. Okay, so then you're just going to just pin that. I got these clips, and I actually got these rollers at Sally's Beauty Supply for extremely cheap. Okay, so now that we have our sweet mohawk, I'm just going to take my blow dryer on low and just apply a little bit of heat to those. If they get a little crazy, that's okay. Probably like like 15 seconds each. She don't like the blow dryer. Okay, so for the rest of my hair, I'm just going to pull it all forward. And I'm going to take this huge wand. I think this is a 1.5 or 2 inch. And this actually was not a wand. Ellie, hey. This is not a wand. It was a curling iron. And I was looking for a large wand. And they were so expensive. So I bought this Revlon curling iron at Marshall's for like $10, and I just took the clamp off of it, and I love it. Okay, so I'm just going to start in the back, and I'm gonna grab fairly large pieces of hair. I don't want these to be small curls. I want them to be large, loose curls. I do have a smaller actual wand, and it is bedhead, and it has an orange handle, and it is by far my favorite wand I've ever had. So I'm just gonna leave that on for a couple seconds, then hold it and toss it back. So like I said, these are large curlers. I have some jumbo curlers that I actually use on my entire head all at one time. I don't use my wand at all. So if that is something that you would like to see, just let me know, comment below. That gives you the more, especially if you have a lot of hair, it's super easy. It's like those long, loose, like Victoria's Secret curls, you know. They're really beautiful. And it takes no time whatsoever. But seriously, if you're saving up to get a wand, I would go to Ross or Marshall's and just buy a cheap curling iron like I did and just pop the clamp right off. It does the exact same thing. And I really like this because it does have the heat control on it, so it doesn't fry all my hair off. Okay, so I did just want to take a second and say thank you so much for watching my video. I cannot believe all of the love and support that I have received. It is seriously mind-blowing. I got 100 subscribers. Like, that is freaking nuts. Like, when I began this channel, I was like, okay, like, I'm gonna shoot for 20. I shot for 20 subscribers, and I have 100. I feel like I've won a freaking Grammy or something, okay? And what's even better than that is I had 3 girls private message me on Facebook or Instagram and actually send me pictures of looks of mine that they did, and they looked freaking awesome. And that is what matters to me, and that is so awesome. Okay, so before I take these rollers out, I'm gonna take my teasing comb and I'm just going to tease the sides of my hair a little bit. Like I said, if you want to see a tutorial with the jumbo rollers on my whole head, that is some big, voluptuous hair, okay? You don't have to do this when you do that. That's how voluptuous it is. Okay. So I'm just gonna take this last curler out, and I'm going to unroll it, and I'm gonna hold it in my hand, and I'm gonna give it a little tease, and just let it fall back wherever it's going. And the same with all of these. So this top one, I'm probably not going to tease as much as I did the others, but I am going to tease it out along with these. I know this looks freaking wild. Just the ones that I took out. Okay, so then I'm just going to shake it out. And if you don't like big hair, this probably is not for you, because this is some freaking hair, okay? Look at that. That is definitely what I was wanting. If you notice, okay, so this piece right here by my hair, how it's flipping inward, I'm just gonna take that one piece right there, and I'm gonna use my wand on it because that will drive me freaking batty. Just real quick, don't want it to be too curly. So that is how I do my routine. I know that a lot of you, after I posted my makeup tutorial video, you guys were like, oh my god, you have rollers in your hair, what are you doing to your hair? So, of course, here you go. I love this. This is super easy. I won't have to wash my hair for like 3 days now because this holds so well. Oh no. And it is such a simple and easy look. So I'm so glad. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, like it, subscribe to my page. I am going to be doing another hair tutorial with my smaller wand. Those are it's still like a wavy look, but it's smaller and more wavy than this big, long, luscious curls, you know. Okay, so thanks again. I love you guys.